Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI. It's in the news, in your feed, and probably even in your group chats. But with all the buzz, it's easy to wonder, is this just hype, or is it something you actually need to act on? The truth is, AI isn't just a trend. It's a tool that's reshaping how we work, create, and communicate. So, the real question isn't what AI can do, but what you should do about it. In this video, we'll break down why now is the time to learn how to use AI, and how you can start, even if you're brand new to it.
You don't need to be a developer to start using AI. There are plenty of consumer tools that let you get value right away. If you're feeling a bit more hands-on, no-code platforms make it easy to build simple AI-powered apps without writing a single line of code. And if you're ready to go deeper, learning to code opens the door to creating powerful, custom AI solutions that can do almost anything you imagine.
Using AI as a consumer can save you time, boost creativity, and make everyday tasks easier. You can generate high-quality content like blog posts, images, and videos just by describing what you want. Writing a letter or email, AI tools can instantly fix grammar, improve tone, and make your message clearer. At work, AI can act as a virtual assistant, helping you summarize meetings, manage schedules, or analyze data in seconds. It can also recommend meals, plan your workouts, translate languages in real time, or even tutor you in subjects you're trying to learn.
No-code tools make it easy for anyone to build AI-powered applications, thanks to user-friendly drag-and-drop interfaces. You don't have to write a single line of code. Just choose the components that suit your project and connect them like building blocks. With these tools, you can create AI-powered survey analyzers, product recommendation engines, automated content creators, or even personal productivity assistants. They're perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and creatives who want to turn ideas into working apps without waiting on developers. Whether you're automating tasks, launching a simple product, or experimenting with AI features, no-code platforms give you a fast, accessible way to get started.
Learning to code opens the door to building AI applications without the limitations of no-code platforms. You gain full control over what your app can do, whether it's a smart assistant, a custom recommendation system, or a fully automated business workflow. This skill doesn't just future-proof your career. It makes you more competitive in a job market that increasingly values AI literacy. For entrepreneurs, coding knowledge adds a powerful tool to your arsenal, allowing you to prototype, iterate, and launch ideas faster and more affordably. Investing in coding today means you're not just keeping up with technology, you're staying ahead of it.
There's a common misconception that AI will completely replace software developers. In reality, however, it is evolving into a powerful tool that enhances their capabilities. AI can assist with writing, debugging, and optimizing code, helping developers build more reliable and competitive applications faster. That's why learning to code, especially alongside AI, isn't just safe, it's a smart and future-ready investment.
Starting your journey into coding and AI begins with understanding the core theory behind how AI works. At its foundation, AI is about teaching machines to recognize patterns in data and make decisions based on those patterns, similar to how humans learn from experience. You don't need a PhD to get started. There are beginner-friendly resources that explain concepts in simple terms. Understanding the theory behind AI often involves exploring disciplines like machine learning, data science, natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and more. Topics such as expert systems, fuzzy logic, evolutionary computation, swarm intelligence, cognitive computing, knowledge representation and reasoning, planning and scheduling, and reinforcement learning also play a role, and there are plenty of free and paid online resources to help you dive into each of them.
Once you've built a basic understanding of AI theory, the next step is learning a programming language to bring your ideas to life. At the core of every AI-powered application is an AI model, a mathematical system trained to recognize patterns, make predictions, or generate content based on data. These models can analyze text, interpret images, understand speech, or even simulate decision-making. A programming language acts as the bridge that connects your application to these models, allowing you to integrate their capabilities into real-world software. By learning to code, you'll be able to control how AI models are used, customized, and deployed in the applications you create.
Several programming languages can be used to build AI-based applications, with Python being the most popular due to its simplicity and vast library support. However, there are also strong alternatives like JavaScript for web-based AI tools, Java for large-scale systems, and C++ when performance and speed are critical. Each language has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your goals, whether you're building mobile apps, web tools, or high-performance AI solutions.
When learning a programming language to build AI applications, it's essential to focus on libraries that are specifically designed to interact with AI models. In Python, for example, powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Spatie make it easier to build, train, and deploy AI systems. These libraries handle complex tasks under the hood, so you can focus on designing the logic and functionality of your application.
In addition to learning a programming language and its AI libraries, it's important to explore the different types of AI models available and what they're capable of. Large language models, LLMs, like those powering chatbots and content generators, are just one option. There are also small language models for lightweight tasks, Markov models for sequence prediction, and grammar-based models for structured language generation. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each model will help you choose the right one for your specific project or application.
Take some time to research what Retrieval Augmented Generation can do for you. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, enhances large language models by allowing them to access and incorporate external knowledge in real time, rather than relying solely on pre-trained data. This means AI-based applications can deliver more accurate, up-to-date, and context-aware responses, making them far more powerful and reliable for complex tasks.
Learning how to work with data is a critical skill when building AI applications, as the quality and structure of your data directly impact the performance of your models. By using techniques like Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, you can feed large language models with your own custom data, enabling them to generate responses tailored to your specific domain or use case. This approach makes your AI more accurate, relevant, and useful, whether you're building, for example, a customer support bot, a research assistant, or an internal knowledge tool.
Once you've learned the basics of AI, programming, and working with data, the next step is to apply your knowledge by building simple, real-world applications. For example, you can create a chatbot that uses Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, to answer questions based on your own custom data, like company documents or product manuals. This goes far beyond traditional static FAQs, enabling dynamic, accurate, and context-aware responses tailored to each user's query.
After building your own basic applications, it's time to explore more complex examples available online to deepen your understanding. By studying how these advanced projects are structured and experimenting with their code, you'll gain valuable insights into best practices and real-world AI integration. This hands-on experience will strengthen your skills and prepare you to build more sophisticated, scalable AI-based solutions.
Once you've explored some existing AI-based applications, the next step is to start creating your own unique projects based on your interests or challenges you want to solve. This is where creativity meets skill, whether it's an intelligent scheduling assistant, a personalized learning tool, or a niche recommendation engine. By building your own examples, you not only solidify your knowledge, but also begin shaping real solutions that reflect your goals and ideas.
To take your AI skills even further, start exploring how AI agents work and how they can be used to automate complex tasks. AI agents are systems that combine reasoning, planning, and memory to operate autonomously toward a specific goal, often reacting dynamically to new information. Unlike simple models that respond to single prompts, agents can chain actions together, adapt to feedback, and make decisions in real time. Understanding how to build and manage AI agents opens the door to creating more intelligent, goal-driven applications.
A great example of an AI agent in action is a chatbot reservation system. This kind of application can guide users through the entire reservation process, asking for details like date, time, and party size. It can then check availability, suggest alternatives if needed, confirm the booking, and even manage changes or cancellations later on. Unlike a basic chatbot, this agent-based system can handle multiple steps, make decisions, and adapt its responses based on the user's input in real time. It can also process various input types, such as text or voice, which significantly enhances its accessibility and overall user experience.
The learning process in AI never truly ends. New models, tools, and techniques are constantly emerging. Staying curious and committed to ongoing learning is key to keeping your skills relevant in this fast-changing field. As you continue to grow, your knowledge not only empowers you to build more advanced applications, but also opens up valuable opportunities in the job market. Whether you're aiming for a tech career or enhancing your entrepreneurial toolkit, mastering AI gives you a serious competitive edge.
Once you've built your AI skills, it's time to put them to use and start getting paid for what you know. This could mean landing a better-paying job, freelancing on AI-related projects, or even teaching others who are just starting their journey. You can also turn your ideas into income by building and selling your own AI-based applications or tools. The possibilities are wide open, and the sooner you start applying your skills, the faster you'll see the rewards.